30 minutes for the whole round and it goes very slowly. So आपको पूरा लंदन का नज़ारा मिलेगा. Everything of London you will be able to see. So it's a very good experience when you will be doing it in the evening.
इवनिंग में बिल्कुल स्लोली जा है.
Yeah, very slow it is, so don't worry. Now we come up to the River Thames, which is a very, very important part of London. आज जो लंदन है और लंदन फेमस हुआ है is thanks to the River Thames that you see on your right. The River Thames in London is a tidal river, तो कभी कभी 2 मीटर ऊपर नीचे पानी होता है उसका. Okay? It's a river which stretches over 230 miles. It starts from Gloucester or in Gloucestershire और आगे इंग्लिश चैनल में वो खत्म होती है. आपने जो सुना होगा stories of English ships which sailed from London and came to India and came to Asia and came to Africa, वो सब यहाँ से आती थी. Where you go to the Tower of London, उसके सामने की साइड पे there is a place called Hayes Galleria, which used to be the old docks, and that is from where the ships sailed onwards to all of Asia and Africa. There are many bridges across the River Thames. You will see the most famous one when you come out from the Tower of London. This road that we are driving on is called embankment, क्योंकि ये river embankment है River Thames के साथ. And from the time about 2000 years ago when the Romans first came to London, वो भी Thames के ऊपर से ही आए थे from the English Channel, and they established a place very close to the tower, और उस settlement को उन्होंने Londinium कहा था. Before I continue, on the right there is an obelisk, ये stone का pillar है. This is more than 3000 years old and has come from Luxor in Egypt. This is Egyptian. So the Romans established a town or a settlement और उसने नाम रखा था Londinium, and from then we have got the name London. After that came the Vikings, after that came the Anglo-Saxons, the Normans, the Tudors, and each dynasty has ruled at different times, but London has always been the capital city of England. Because of the river there was trade, there was commerce, and there was a lot of wealth. शायद आप 100 साल पहले लंदन आते थे तो लोग बोलेंगे कि लंदन वर्ल्ड का कैपिटल है. It was that famous. It's after World War II when Britain lost its power and America became the new superpower that we had other countries also in the fray. Even today, London along with Tokyo and New York happens to be amongst the financial centers of the world. Banks, insurance, brokerages, exchanges, सब यहाँ सेंटर है. There are two commercial districts. One is the city of London, जो आप अभी आगे जाएंगे आप skyline देखेंगे, सब skyscraper आपको दिखाई देंगे. That is the city of London. And then you have another one which is called Canary Wharf. In a short while, I will show you a symbol which tells us that we are actually entering the city of London. The opposite side of the river is called South Bank. We are on the northern bank of the River Thames. The opposite side is called South Bank. पहले जमाने में that used to be a very run-down area. Today with modernization, it has got a lot of offices, apartments, and is a very high-priced area. After this signal, take a look on your left and right. You will see two silver symbols. वो एक dragon जैसा दिखेगा आपको with a shield. This symbol is called a griffin. A griffin is a mythological creature, half dragon, half lion. This is the symbol of the city of London. उसका मतलब है that let us count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the city of London. Now you have formally entered the city of London. तो ये जो एरिया आपके लेफ्ट पे दिख रहा है ये एक्चुअली सिटी ऑफ लंदन है. As we keep driving, keep a look on the opposite side of the river, you will see an extremely tall building. कांच का बिल्डिंग है. It looks like a broken piece of glass or wood. एक लकड़े का टुकड़ा या कांच का टुकड़ा टूटा हुआ रहता है, वैसे दिख रहा है, and it's called the Shard. The Shard is the tallest skyscraper in London. You will also see it very clearly when you are at the tower. So don't worry. If you miss it now or if you pass it and you can't get a photo or video, you will surely get it when you are at the Tower of London. So देखिए सामने एक बिल्डिंग दिख रही है, एकदम पतली और ऊपर से टूटी हुई दिख रही है. This is the Shard. You don't have an idea of how tall it is. When you are going to the tower, आपको पता चल जाएगा why it is the tallest building in London and amongst the tallest in Europe. Now it may surprise you to know, अगर मैं मेरे घर से गाड़ी लेके आता हूँ, I come into central London, I work 8 hours and I go back. It's a very expensive affair. To enter London in your private car, you have to pay 17.5 pounds congestion tax. अगर आपकी गाड़ी पुरानी है या डीजल है, you pay ULEZ, which is ultra low emission zone tax. Over that, parking in London is anything between 5 to 8 pounds per hour. So if I had to come from home, work 8 hours and go back, मुझे कम से कम 80-100 pound का खर्चा होता था. So people just stop it. People take tubes, come into the city, work and go back. You may be a CEO of a company, you may be the janitor. Everybody comes by tube and goes home by tube. That's the system that's followed. Also, the speed limit now has become 20 miles per hour. तो traffic slow था तो और slow हो गया. So this is why you have realized once we are in London, our coach captain drives at 20 miles per hour. तो ये challenge है. But I guess every major metropolitan city in the world